Stop everything because the 1980 S. Anthony $1 coin you've ignored for decades could be hidden treasure, and in the right condition, it has brought big money that shocked the entire coin world. Midnight to 010 hook. What if I told you a modern US dollar coin? One most people toss in a drawer has sold for more than a brand new car, and collectors are still missing it today. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you might be checking your safe, your proof sets, or your inheritance box for a life-changing value hiding in plain sight. 010 to 110 the mystery begins. The year was 1980. America was struggling with inflation, gas lines were still fresh in memory, and the US Mint was quietly producing a coin that would fail in circulation, but explode in value decades later. The Susan B. Anthony dollar was already unpopular. Too small. Too close to a quarter. Vending machines rejected it. The public rejected it. So here's the strange part. Backhand index pointing right, the 1980 S. Anthony dollar was never released for everyday use. No circulation strikes. No pocket change fines. Only proof coins, struck at the San Francisco Mint. And that's where the mystery and the money begins. 110 to 221st shocking reveal. At first glance, most 1980 S. Anthony dollars are worth collision $5 to $15. But don't click away, because a tiny detail, barely visible without magnification, has turned some of these into big money collectibles worth hundreds, thousands, and even tens of thousands of dollars. Collectors missed this for years. Dealers overlooked it. Families sold them cheaply. And then auction records exploded. 220 to 330 the secret that changes everything. Here's the detail that separates pocket change value from hidden treasure. Magnifying glass tilted left, the mint mark. Look just above the date on the obverse, near Susan B. Anthony's shoulder. You'll see an S. But not all S. mint marks are the same. There are two distinct varieties of the 1980 S. proof dollar. Type 1, filled S. Keycap 2. Type 2, clear S. This is the jackpot. The Type 2 S is sharper, cleaner, and more defined. The openings in the S are clear, not blobby. Most people don't even know this difference exists. That mistake has cost collectors big money. 330 to 430 auction bombshell. Here's where things get real. A 1980 S Type 2 proof, graded PR 70 deep cameo, sold at major auction for over $30,000. Let me repeat that. Money bag over $30,000, for a modern dollar coin. Why? Because perfect examples are extremely rare, even though millions were struck. Condition is everything. And that's why this coin has life-changing value potential. For 30 to 530, how to identify it, step by step. Grab a magnifying glass or jeweler's loupe. Here's what to check. Heavy checkmark date, 1980. Heavy checkmark mint mark, S, above the date. Heavy checkmark strike, proof only mirror-like fields, frosted devices. Heavy checkmark rim, sharp, squared edges, no circulation wear. Heavy checkmark color, silver white with deep mirror reflection. Heavy checkmark mint mark detail. Blobby, thick, S equals Type 1, common. Crisp, clean, sharp, S equals Type 2, rare. If you think you have a Type 2, do not clean it. Cleaning can destroy thousands in value instantly. 530 to 630 error varieties and extra money. Now here's another shocker. Some 1980 S. Anthony dollars show proof errors, including warning deep cameo contrast, adds premium. Warning frost breaks or uneven cameo, collectible. Warning struck through debris, hundreds more. Warning dye polish lines, minor but notable. A standard Type 2 proof might bring $100 to $500. A high-grade PR 69 deep cameo. Collision $1,000 to $3,000. A perfect PR 70 deep cameo. Collision big money territory, tens of thousands. That's not hype. That's auction history. 6:30 to 7:30. Why this coin is still undervalued. Here's the part that should make you uncomfortable. Most people assume modern coins aren't valuable. That belief has caused collectors to skip proof sets, ignore mint mark varieties, sell too early, miss hidden treasure. The 1980 S. Anthony dollar proves one thing. Collision rarity isn't always about age, it's about details. And details create life-changing value. 7:30 to 8:30. The family drawer story. I've seen it happen. A family opens an old safety deposit box. Inside, proof sets untouched since the 1980s. They expect nostalgia. Instead, they find big money. One tiny S made the difference between a $10 coin and a down payment on a house. That's why this coin is so dangerous to ignore. 8:30 to 9:20. Final warning. Before you dismiss this coin, ask yourself. Do you own 1980 proof sets? Did a parent or grandparent collect coins? Have you actually checked the mint mark? Because once collectors wake up fully to this variety, collision prices won't wait. Hidden treasure never does. 9:20 to 10 o'clock. Cliffhanger and CTA. And here's the chilling truth. There's another Anthony dollar variety even rarer than this one. And most people confuse it with pocket change. That's coming in the next video. So check your coins tonight, look closely at that S, and if you want to stay ahead of the next life-changing value discovery. Backhand index pointing right. Subscribe now. Backhand index pointing right. Like this video. Backhand index pointing right. Share it with someone who collects. Because the next hidden treasure might already be in your hands.